Hi, here is a short tutorial on saving a file as a PSD or Photoshop document. Remember that a Photoshop document, a PSD, has layers, and the layers are preserved when you save it. When you save it as a flattened image, like a PNG or a JPG, the layers are not preserved, image is flattened, and you can no longer go back and edit individual layers. To save a file as a PSD, you're going to go up to the File menu. You're going to come down and choose Save As. Notice the default file type all the way at the very top is Photoshop PSD. Okay, I'm going to save this as VegHead. So I'm going to go ahead and choose. Okay, it's just asking me if I want to maximize compatibility, which I do, so I'm saying OK. Notice it's saved, and I now have all these layers still intact. If I want to save it as a different file format and flatten the image, let me go ahead and choose File, Save As, and instead of saving it as a PSD, maybe I want to come down and save it as a JPG. Okay, I've saved it as a JPG. It's still showing me the PSD, but now if I open up the JPEG file, notice that there's no layers. Everything is flattened, and it added the white behind the VegHead here. So I hope that helps. And, thank you for watching.